Hello and welcome to this demo of EduLift, a teaching materials and content generator. This is the latest version of EduLift. Today, I will walk you through the key features in EduLift. Now, please do take note that features of EduLift can only be accessed if you have a username and a password. So, to log in to EduLift, expand the sidebar and enter the credentials provided to you. Once you have logged in, you will see under the sidebar that there is this few fields over here: project management, save to existing project, and the ability to restore project. You will also see a password management section, which is where you can change your password if needed. Now, you will see an about page, which is a short introduction of the platform and the project. Now, let us begin. First, navigate to the course outline, where you will enter the title. Next, you will enter the learning outcomes, which will be in point form. Then, proceed to generate the outline. I will only be using 3 as it is simpler. Once you are done, finalize outline. Navigate over to the teaching notes, where this is a rough ideation of what the teaching notes would look like. If you want to see the content, just click Generate All Contents. Careful of using this button, as it will cost many tokens to execute. If you are okay with that, click Proceed. If you are interested about the status and the process of the generation, little notes will pop up. Do take note of them. Okay, all the content has been generated. Let's view a subtopic. Now, under each subtopic, you will see the content, as well as 4 tabs over here: Notes, Slides, Board, and Rack. Now, for the Board tab, it allows you to create more tools to enhance your teaching materials and slides. So, let's create a Q&A. Let's say create 8 Q&As based on the content. Just type in a query based on the notes, based on the subtopic content, and you will get 8 Q&As. Leave the Board tab. You will have 3 selections: None, Notes, and Slides. Selecting None will just execute your query and give you a response. Selecting Notes will automatically append the content so that it will be in the form of notes. Now, selecting Slides would again automatically append the content to be printed as slides. This speeds up the process of research and creation of more tools. Now, let's view our teaching slides. We download teaching slides and open file. If the slides are rather plain, we can always use the Designer tab to change the theme. Now, let's go over to the Rack tab. For the Rack tab, it allows us to extract information from our own documents. So, first create a workspace. Then you will also have the ability to delete a workspace. And next, you will upload files to the workspace that you have created. So let's say we want information from this document over here, but it is too much and will take too much effort to extract. So first, save and embed the file. And then go over to the Rack. Navigate to the workspace. And then key in your prompt. For example, summarize the proposal into 1 paragraph. Control Enter to apply and click Ask. And this is the summary of the document. Next, let's go tools to conceptual diagram generation. Concept diagram generator is a point and a phase where you can use to generate diagrams, flowcharts, and much more. To use it, simply copy and paste the content into generation, enter content to visualize, Control Enter, and then select the diagram type that you would like to use. We have a choice from flowchart, mind maps, entity relationship, sequence diagram, and class diagram. We will be using flowchart. Add any additional instructions if you need, and click Generate. Once it is done, navigate over to the Diagram tab, where you can view the flowchart, and you can even view it in full screen. Now, along with this tool, there are other smart tools, which includes web crawling, A/B transcribe, table creation, and picture generation. Table creation and picture generation more or less explain itself, but web crawling is a form where you can extract info from a web page or an article, and A/B transcribe is extracting information from an audio file, MP3 or MP4. Now, if you are done with the services, do not forget to leave us a review. Next, if you want to save this project, go back to the sidebar, enter a new project title, and save new. And a new project will be created. That is all I have for the demonstration. Now, if you are done, simply click Log Out. Thank you for watching.